Hi guys, welcome to Darren's Toy Channel and welcome to a slightly different video. We're going to be unboxing these Garbage Gang slime cans. We've got four, we've got two orange, a yellow and a green. Contains one figurine and slime. Safe to play. Doesn't say how many you need to get. So let's jump straight in, if I can. I bet I can't. Is there an easy way? No, there isn't. There we go. So we've got a little barrel of slime. I've got my little pot, because I'm not overly keen on slime. Is this just a sticker? Oh, yep, okay. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's kind of... it feels wet, but... yeah, it doesn't really stick to you. Let's get it out. A bit like the old ectoplasm from Ghostbusters. Oh! Get it in there. Yeah, that is... naturally, no, it is a bit sticky. The figure we have got is, of course, Adam Bomb. Let's have a little look-see. All wrapped in plastic, which is nice. Very, oh my god, rubbery. I still got slime on him anyway, so. Really rubbery. Ugh. Yeah, just like Pete Venkman. I've been slimed when he's in the library. Yeah. To be fair, for the size of it, it is really... should have got some wipes. Really good detail. Yeah, it's got a little button. Very well painted. This is... it is a tiny rubberine figure. Oh, it's disgusting. No, it just says Chinaman on the bottom. Top's China. YT0713. Yeah. So, Adam Bomb. Right. Luckily, we have some wipes. Yeah. Right. So that can go in the bin. As can that. I'm sure my kids will have lots of fun playing with that. Our next one we're going to have is the yellow. See what we get. As I said, I see them in the shop. They cost £2.50, so they're a bit pricey. Luminous yellow. And in this one we got... I don't know what that character's called. Quality, can't even open the bloody plastic now. Ugh. Right. Scissors. Oh. Mr. Snippity Snip. If you get that reference. Fair play to you. Right, this one has got egg. Okay. Right. So it's either going to be some sort of Egbert joke or some sort of shell joke. So see, a plain white figure, a little chick coming out of his head. Top China. Yeah, it's sort of cracked his... he's cracked his arm and a chick's come out of his head. Again, really rubbery. That is it. Yeah, exactly the same slime. Let's pour it out, see what we get. Yeah, it kind of sticks together, so that's a good thing. It's really cold. I don't know if that's because I'm filming in a cold room. Right, no, green one now. Again, £2.50 or €4. Anything else I want to have to work out? Ugh. Oh, this one's disgusting. Oh, it's like snot. Oh, this one's... Oh, Zip. Oh, what's her name? Can't remember his name. Should have really researched the characters beforehand, but I didn't know what I was going to get, so... Oh, my goodness. There's not a lot to cut on this one. No, so there we go. Luminous Scream Snot looking slime. Can we get into the packet? Clearly not. Clearly this one's a bit tougher than the other two. Right, okay, let's have a look. This one's obviously covered in spots and popping pimples, or... Oh, I can never remember their names. It's a long time ago. But yeah, we got that little guy. Where are we? Can you see him? Popping spots. He probably should have come with a yellow one. That would have been more satisfying. Again, very much like... It's really thick. It does kind of stick together. Yeah, it is it is what it is. So we've got 3. Last one. We went for another orange. There is, right, we've got 2 of the 4 that's, or 2 of the 3 that's on there. The only one we haven't got is that alien looking girl. You can already see this one's right at the bottom of the can. Oh, this is going to be fun. Yeah, it is like that. It's all dripped down the side of the can. It's disgusting. Right, this one is some sort of werewolf baby. Let's get him out, see what he's doing, see what he's up to. So we have got, yeah, no names on them clearly. He's like a werewolf with a bone, maybe. Disgusting. I know I really don't like slime, but yeah. So £2.50. Get yourself a little slime. Get yourself a little figurine. Let's see if I can find my book. Oh. See if any of these guys are in it. Obviously I haven't got them all. No, none of those. None of those. None of those. It's bad, I only know Adam Bomb. Absolutely shocking. These are all the new ones anyway, so I don't think they would be there. Zitty Whitney, no, not Zitty Whitney. These, maybe they're in the back ones. Alan Bomb. No, Upchuck, Toothy, Roofy. No. Can't even tell you who they are, but yes. So I've got 4 different ones, which is always a bonus. They're tiny. Let's see how big they are. Literally an inch high. Other than Adam Bomb, slightly bigger. But yeah, so we've got the 4. We've got, there you go, Adam Bomb. We've got this guy. If you know his name, drop it in the comments below. And I do know that one. I remember that one, and I can't remember the name. I've got slime everywhere. But yeah, we got the zit. One where he's popping his zits all over him. And I've got orange slime all over me. And yeah, this little chick one. Super cool. I will be on the lookout for more of those. I also need to complete my album, so I will be on the hunt for the last couple of cards I need. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye now.